Are you burying your fire truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, coming. Look, coming. Fire truck!
Fire truck. What noise does the fire truck make? Woo! Can you show it to us again, Leo? Is that the police truck? Oh, that was a good crane arm. You were a perfect excavator. Good job. Oh, you want to go inside and get your excavator?
Me get it.
Oh, you want me to get it? I'm not going to go inside.